Hello and welcome to Riomar Design's YouTube channel. My name is Ali Pikolski. I am the owner and designer of Riomar Designs, where I create organizers for travelers like you so you can quickly find your things and enjoy your trip without needless worries. Before I get started and show you the product that I want to talk about today, I'm going to ask you a favor. If you could please hit the like button, it helps me more than you know, and subscribe to my channel. That way you can get notifications when the next video is available. Okay, now let me show you the product that I'm going to talk about today. So this week I'm going to talk about the Duo Pouch. The Duo Pouch is my #1 best seller. So I created this pouch where you can put your hand sanitizer here and your mask here. And it's a very sturdy zipper. I know it's a see-through bags, but it is so sturdy with the snap here that you can literally hang this anywhere you want. And it's very good quality. It's plastic, but it's not that flimsy plastic that you find, from the dollar store. This is very, very strong. So a lot of people bought this pouch to put their mask here and the hand sanitizer here. And because of the divider, the hand sanitizer would not touch the mask. And so let me put some hand sanitizer in my hand now. I want to show you another way that you can use this, and it will be perfect when you're traveling. This will also help you pack your luggage so easily. I use this to store my makeup. I even keep it around the house because it's so easy. As you can see, the distance of this Duo Pouch, it's tall enough because I wanted to be able to store a hand sanitizer that is 2 fluid ounces just in case you fly. It will go through TSA, no problem. So with that in mind, you can also put your mascara, lipstick, another lipstick, eyeliner, more eyeliners. I like eyeliners. Eyeshadow, another eyeshadow, and even a brush. All the things that can fit in here. I wanted to show you how easy it is to carry your essentials, your makeup, your foundation, your lipstick, your eyeliners in one pouch that is completely flat. If you see, it's flat. You can put this on top of the luggage when you're packing. It will not take any space. If you're at the house and you need to put this in a closet, you can just put it in the closet. In a drawer, you can just go in a drawer, just like that. It is so easy to pack with these pouches that this is a purchase that will last you for many years. You will be able to use this in many other ways besides a mask and a hand sanitizer. So if you want yours, make sure to get it. The link is down below, and you will not regret it. This pouch has been my #1 seller, and that was just because of the mask and the hand sanitizer. But now that you know that you can use it for other things, you will absolutely love it. Now, there is a video in my channel, and I'm going to put the link right here, that shows you how to clean this pouch. So if you want to sanitize, there's a video on how to clean it. I've included that in this link here. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.